Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S40, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should get the green Apple keyboard application from the Play Store. Just type here the green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application installing on your phone. And now just tap to open. Here click to enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap on switcher to activate it. Tap OK, confirm one more time. Now just go back and here tap on the switch input methods and switch the Gboard on the English United States keyboard. So that's it. Now we'll check that. For example, we'll go to the messages and tap to start chatting. For example, we will type here something. So as can you see, our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard, also as the emojis. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.